So, when should I buy cryptocurrency? Well, it's obviously hard to give a bulletproof answer, but in this video I will show you what I look for when I try to find out whether or not it is the right time to buy a cryptocurrency. But before we begin, I have to say that in a long-term perspective, right now is a good time to buy cryptocurrency. I mean, if you buy cryptocurrency today and hold them for at least 5 years, I'm sure you will make some profit. Blockchain and cryptocurrency are still young, and I think that it has so much more room to grow. 1 year ago, people were asking the exact same question: when should I buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in general? I mean, now look at the historical data here from CoinMarketCap from January 22nd of 2017, and look at those prices. I mean, it's extremely cheap, and in a year we will probably say the same thing about the prices in January or February 2018. However, in this video I will focus on a more short-term perspective. So everyone is saying buy low, sell high, and I mean, if you stick to that plan, I'm sure you will make profit from cryptocurrency. But buy low, sell high is easy to say, but it is harder to time the market correctly. So what I generally look for is a correction. For example, in December 2017 here and early January 2018 we have seen an insane bull run. Almost all coins have more than doubled their valuations, and many have seen 1000% of growth. Of course, I mean, such a growth can't continue forever. So a market needs a correction after a good period. That's just simple logic. So what I look for when entering the crypto market is that I look for a correction or a dip, and when that dip or correction happen, I just have to stay ready to buy the cryptocurrency. So for the last 2 weeks we have seen a correction. I mean, the total market cap for cryptocurrencies has fallen from $830 billion to nearly $500 billion now, and that is a huge decrease, guys. And to be honest, now is the perfect time to start buying cryptocurrency. I mean, during these 2 weeks many altcoins have lost half of their valuation, and they're really cheap now. Have a look at like solid projects like Substratum here, as you can see, Cardano, Enigma, Rayblock's Symbol Token. I mean, I can continue, but you get the point. All these coins have lost value and they are on sale right now. And Bitcoin is currently trading for $10,000, which is nearly a 50% discount from its peak in late December. As of now, no one knows if the correction will continue or if the market actually turns bearish for real. So normally I don't spend 100% of my funds right away when I see a correction. I would normally spend like 50% of my funds on buying cryptocurrency right now. And then I would wait some time to see if the correction continues and if the prices keep falling. And if they do, I slowly just buy the dip and spread my funds over days or weeks, and in this way I'm not taking too big a risk. And also remember, historical data shows that the market eventually will return bullish and will return to all-time highs. So it's just a matter of holding or hodling. So it is actually a simple thing I'm doing. I mean, I'm just waiting for the correction to happen because it will happen eventually. You don't want to FOMO in on a coin that has already grown 100% within a day or two. You want to wait for the correction to happen, and I mean, I know it's really hard to have patience, but it is more safe, way more safe, and you will have much more success if you just wait for that correction to happen. Also remember that there are hundreds of crypto projects out there, so if you get tempted to buy a coin or token at its all-time high, just forget about it and try to discover some other undervalued projects, because there are almost always some great projects that are having a correction or dip right now. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you have any questions or maybe ideas for topics that I should talk about, please leave a comment below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about making money with cryptocurrency. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.